As we delve deeper into the world of bed bug extermination, it's crucial to understand the enemy's tactics. Bed bugs are master hiders, seeking refuge in the smallest and most unsuspected places. Screw holes, seemingly innocent, become prime real estate for bed bugs to congregate and breed. These tiny invaders exploit every gap, crack, and crevice, turning the nooks and crannies of a bed frame into their clandestine sanctuaries. It's in these secluded hideouts that bed bugs find the darkness and security they crave, laying their eggs away from prying eyes, making their eradication a challenge for the untrained eye. This is where the precision of steam treatment becomes invaluable. The exterminator, armed with knowledge and the right tools, directs the steam into these hideaways, ensuring no corner is left untouched. The steam's heat penetrates these hidden enclaves, reaching bed bugs in their most protected quarters. It's a targeted assault on their stronghold, disrupting their life cycle and providing a respite from the infestation. Through diligent application and expert knowledge of bed bug behavior, even the most elusive pests are rendered vulnerable. The once invaded bed frame stands renewed, a testament to the power of steam when wielded with precision. In the relentless fight against bed bugs, understanding their habits and hiding spots is half the battle won. With steam treatment, we have a potent weapon that, when used correctly, ensures our living spaces remain sanctuaries of peace and comfort. Unlike ambient heat treatments that raise the room's temperature, steam offers targeted action, delivering lethal heat directly to where bed bugs hide and breed. This method surpasses traditional pesticides, sidestepping chemical resistance issues and potential health risks. Bed bugs are elusive, seeking refuge in the smallest recesses of bed frames and furniture. Steam, with its penetrating power, reaches these hidden sanctuaries, something ambient heat and pesticides often fail to achieve. The key to steam treatment's success lies in its meticulous application. The temperature must soar above 120 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure the demise of bed bugs at all life stages, from eggs to adults. Our professional-grade, state-of-the-art equipment delivers far more potent punch, and almost endless calibration and steaming capacity. But it's not just about high heat. The calibration of pressure is equally crucial. Too low, and the steam won't penetrate deeply enough. Too high, and it risks scattering the pests, undermining the treatment's efficacy. This delicate balance of temperature and pressure makes steam treatment a superior choice. It's a clean, sustainable approach, free from the drawbacks of chemicals and the limitations of ambient heat. With steam, we see not just the elimination of bed bugs but a commitment to safety and environmental responsibility. It's a testament to the power of innovation in the ongoing battle against these persistent pests. In the fight against bed bugs, steam stands as a beacon of effectiveness and eco-consciousness, ensuring our homes remain safe and serene havens.